Good morning, Year 5. Today we're going to be reviewing the role of the numerator and the denominator in fractions, and then we're going to learn how to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions, and we'll also learn how to add fractions together. We have previously learnt that fractions are real numbers that represent a part of a whole. We also know that a bar separates the part from the whole. When we talk about fractions, the part is called the numerator and the whole is called the denominator. Lots of people think that the bar that separates the part from the whole doesn't have a name, but it actually does. Do you know what that is called? It's called a vinculum. Now you do. Let's take a look at this fraction here. You might remember that the denominator represents the name or the size of the parts. So in this instance, it's 3 or thirds. And the numerator is the number of the parts of that name or size. So in this fraction, that is the 2. So this fraction is known as 2/3. Let's now convert a mixed number into an improper fraction. It's actually quite easy. All we need to do is multiply and then add. You can see here this mixed number is 3 1/4. All we need to do is multiply the denominator with the whole number, and then we add the numerator together. So 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1. That gives us an improper fraction of 13/4. Let's now look at adding fractions together. When adding, the denominator always remains the same, and you simply add the numerator. For example, you have 2 packets of Cadbury chocolate bars. Each packet has 6 individual pieces, the exact same size. You decide to give your little sister 1 piece of chocolate from the first bar, and you give your big brother 2 pieces from the second bar. How much of a whole chocolate bar have you given away? So let's have a look. You gave 1 of the 6 pieces of the first bar to your sister, which equals 1/6. And you gave 2 pieces of the 6 pieces of the second bar to your big brother, which equals 2/6. So if we add them together, 1/6 plus 2/6 equals 3/6. Because both chocolate bars are the same size and have the same number of pieces, we simply kept the denominator as 6 and we added the numerators together to get the answer of 3/6. I hope you enjoyed today's review and that you learnt something new.
Created using Powtoon.